adapter, saving the spring washer to be put onto the new part above the nut. The new cable adapter gets screwed into the weight pole as far as it can go, and then just lock the nut down onto the weight pole. Thread your cable through the machine following the way that it came out in the first place. The cable then just goes into the top of this as far as it can go, tensioning up the cable. And you just tighten the 3 Allen keys, starting with the middle one, and you flip it around and tighten the top and bottom. Cable changed. We'll be removing the old cable adapter